dump yard. Ouch.
Look! What's happened?
Gosh, that garbage truck's dropping trash everywhere.
Seriously? Nobody's cleaning this mess?
Ooh! So gross! Look at that!
I brought the trash here. Oh no, when did all this fall out? What do I do now? Hey buddy, I need your bulldozer. Urgently!
Got it. Stay there. I'll bring it over. I'm here. Buddy.
Trash is all over the street. Please help me clear it all.
Okay. I'll push it back over here.
What's that? Such a weird truck!
Wow, this bulldozer is so effective.
Wow, the trash got pushed away so fast.
Yeah, our street is saved.
How to build a trash collecting bulldozer? Let's build the garbage truck.
The main engine. Install the motor. Install the wheels. Connect to the battery. Install the garbage net.
Just a few more blocks, and I'll be at the dump yard.
Hooray! The road is clean again.
Wow! How convenient!
The dump yard is right ahead. Yahoo!
There you are, you made it.
Let me push it into the pit, and we're done. The street is all clean again. Buddy,
Your bulldozer is absolutely awesome.
Aquarium park.
Here are your tickets.
Thank you. The goldfish are swimming. Welcome to Aquarium Park. Have a great time exploring.
Hey Ollie, let's begin the shark show.
Okay. Look, it's a big shark. It's so big. This is the first time I've seen a shark. Help me!
Run quickly.
The shark show cannot be canceled. We must build a modern bridge.
How to build the hydraulic bridge. Step 1. Build the bridge pylon. Step 2. Build the bridge desk. Step 3. Complete assembly. Add the bridge cables. Add an engine. Add an extra lanes. And more.
Let's test it. Please raise the bridge. The bridge is working very smooth. Let's running the park.
Welcome to the aquarium park.
Please buy tickets at the counter.
Show me a ticket.
Enjoy your visit. I'm really impressed with the fish here.
I feel like I'm submerged in an underwater world.
It's so relaxing and peaceful.
The sharks are so scary.
Those sharks are absolutely breathtaking.
Tourists move off the bridge, please.
I've learned so much about underwater life.
The aquarium is beautiful and well maintained.
I'll be sure to visit again.
Tickets are sold out. See you soon.
Fish farm. It's time to feed the fish. Let's feed them quickly. I'll become a billionaire if all of the fish are sold. I need assistance with feeding the fish. How to build the automatic train. Step 1. Build the engine. Add the chain. Step 2. Build the bin. Step 3. Complete assembly. Add the engine. Add the tank. Install rail pillar. Laying tracks.
Wow!
Testing. Add Orbeez. Testing with Orbeez. Building a train station. Hey Alex, wishing you success in completing the task.
I'll try my best.
Let's start. Add water. And more. Add fishes. And more.
All of the fish have been loaded onto the train.
The heat of the sun causes the water in the aquarium to evaporate.
You need to provide oxygen for the fish.
Add the duckweed. And more. It's time to feed the fish. Add fish foods. The train will feed the fish on schedule. I take a rest now.
2 hours later.
It's time to feed the fish.
Many months later.
Wow, the fish grow so fast. They will probably sell for a high price.
Hi, Mr. Hand. I come to transport the fish. See you again.
Poison. Oh no, there are bad guys trying to terrorize the fish farm. What will Alex have to do to save the farm? To be continued.